Hello there, my subscribers and my non-subscribers, whom I hope one day will become my subscribers. Thank you for joining me in another video. Summer is ending and fall is right around the corner. I'm out in my garden today, harvesting the very last of my summer garden. I have to admit that this summer garden has really been a blessing to me. Much harvest this summer. Even though there were some things that I did plant it that did not give me a harvest as I expected, like the corn, the yellow squash, and the zucchini squash. But in the end, the red bell peppers, the jalapeno peppers, the banana peppers, the tomatoes, the cucumbers made up for what I did lack. I thank God for a harvest this year, and I thank God for giving me the wisdom and the strength to be able to do this. I also thank God for giving me the wisdom to start canning. Most of my harvest that I harvest this year, I have preserved in jars. I have preserved by canning them, and I'm so excited. I'm so glad that I did. Next year, my harvest will be even bigger because I'm planning on doing a bigger garden. But for right now, I thank God for the garden and the harvest that I have received this summer. Fall is approaching, and now it's time for me to change what I've got in my garden. Now it's time for me to plant and get started my fall garden. I'm so excited for my fall garden. There are so many things that I'm planting and that I'm deciding to plant. Fall is my favorite season because I love the cool weather that it brings. The weather from fall is just perfect. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, but it's just right. As I harvest the last of these vegetables from my summer garden, the weather outside was just perfect. And I was just reminded about, the fall season, how it is just perfect to have a nice warm bowl of soup. So I decided to make an Italian sausage soup. This recipe I got from Spend with Pennies. I made this soup for the very first time last year in the fall season, and my family loved it. Even though it's not fall yet, I decided it wouldn't hurt to make a nice soup, a nice pot of soup. So I decided to make the Italian sausage soup. So after I finished harvesting my vegetables in this garden and going back on the inside, I will be making a pot of Italian sausage soup. So I hope you enjoy this video. Also in the comments, let me know what you like about the fall season. If the fall season is your best season or one of your best seasons, let me know. I would love to know what is it about the fall season that you love the most.